So, how are you?
Yeah,
Everything fine?
yeah, everything is fine here.
Happy to hear. Happy to hear. Okay. Also, our tech mastermind Roman is in the call. So, if you have any questions regarding technology, he can answer all your questions.
Yeah, hello.
Okay. So, I would say I start with the first 3 slides, then I go into the live demo, and then we change the live demo according to your input. Okay.
Okay.
And then we see where it's moving from there. Okay, what we have prepared today, it's a customer care case via email for car rental, via email. Just a big picture how things are working in general. I mean, you have a lot of communications. I think you notice from customers, suppliers, partners, whatever, employees. You have the headquarters, and then you have our technology, as well as you have certain backends, means a CRM, an ERP, or any other database where you store the data. Yeah. So what have we trained today? We have trained 7 categories with 233 messages. We can do this because we are not using deep learning per se. Because for deep learning, I think you notice you need at least 1,000 messages per category to start with. That would mean we need, at least for this case, 7,000. Yeah. We have prepared invoice, payment, cancellation, insurance, accident questions, and logistics. Yeah. The reason why we start with these base cases, which also can do bot providers and RPAs, is that you get an understanding how the system is calculating. Yeah. It goes beyond this. We can learn a completely new things in real time, and this is what I want to show you. So if you want, we can teach it right now with something from the Verizon homepage, or you want to train it on something else. We can do it within 2 to 5 messages. And
Okay,
you can
let's
see,
go with Verizon homepage. Let's go with this one.
okay. We are currently at the Verizon homepage. So here for students, safe and wireless with exclusive discounts for questions. So I would say, hey, I want to have this $10 with 1 line or with 2 lines. Yeah. So I'm going really with this, get the discount in 3 years and steps. System has never seen this, so Verizon student deal. Huh? Dear Verizon, I would like to have your new 10% discount discount deal for students. Can you please let me know what we have to do? Thanks, Florian. So this is something the system has never seen. The system will process it, and it will propose something where it thinks out of this 278 messages what it has seen so far, where it thinks it could make a fit, but it will be wrong. Yeah. So this is something we already know because it's the first message. But that's not important because we can teach it. We can teach it what it should answer. Yeah. And the more data you have, the easier it is for the system. Yeah. So this is now number 5. We have also a typo in. So system is looking.
And you see we killed currently keywords for system don't catch with keywords.
No, it's something completely new.
Mm-hmm.
This is fun.
Done.
And you see?
Accuracy, 33. Start growing.
Yeah, it needs operator approval. Dear Mr. Erlach, we're happy. Yeah? And the thing is, it started to understand that the category, what we built up with only 5 messages before, that it got the first 4 completely right, you know? And you see how
1, 2 more. Maybe we now have 70 plus.
Yeah, this is, but you already can see that the accuracy is growing. It is growing exponentially, and I think we also can show this here. So it's in the system, 10% deal.
Yes.
System is calculating up to 20 seconds.
Yes.
We have it. And you see?
61, you see, start growing 2 times.
So most important is that you really can see the system is getting more and more accurate and sure about the answers because it has more data. It has now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
I have one question here. So here we are saying discount for Verizon, right? So is it like training the keywords or like how it is happening? Like let's say I want a discount from other AT&T also might give discount, so I will ask that one. So how will it differentiate?
Yeah,
Like
we
if
also can make this, Roman.
Yeah, we possible make differentiation with very simple things. Basically, it's only question for what size of traffic you have, because system trying to search how you make decision. This is case. System looking what meaning you using. System have synonym databases. System has analysis of sentences priorities and analyzing of mistakes. For example, here we made that a lot of text, we made that mistakes, but result good.
And companies like yours, you have thousands or millions of conversations, so the system has an accuracy of 95% plus. And for things where you don't have an accuracy of 95% plus, you can route it to an agent within 3 to 5 seconds, and the agent can correct if necessary the proposed answer, or can write a proposed answer based on that what's happening on the operational daily business, because currently business is changing very rapidly, especially because of COVID-19. And so has to change the business, and our system moves with the business.
what about security? Like see, now the bots like we have we'll be having many callers, right? So there should be security as well, right? How is this implemented here?
Roman?
Okay. So
You're the tech guy.
you knew this. Okay, security. We have 2 sides of security. For first, where we have data, we support and private and cloud. Downside of this picture in Flow Monitor, I think you see on Promise, on SaaS or IaaS. And second, it's we don't need to see your data, because our system, I think you saw currently, it's learning from herself. We connect to channels, and systems see what are answering your operators, what information your operators come in, and system learning without engineers. We don't need NLP team for this. In this case, we don't see your conversations, and it's absolutely securable, and it stands in your service.
Okay, yeah. See, can we use our own database and use your algorithms for segregating, like for classifying? Okay, can we do that?
Yes. Currently, we have integration, for example, with Postgre in Redis. It's NoSQL and SQL. We have in the world basically 3 standards of database: file system, NoSQL, and SQL. All 3 standards we integrated. If you have some specific else database, you have one of these 3 protocols, maybe with modification. So we do this.
Okay.
Basically, we have in system NLP services. It's right upside. And we're proposing for clients two cases. If you want to use Google, Amazon, Bing for NLP analysis, our system based on NLP analysis. And for you not important to send information for these guys. We using these services. It's making a little bit more qualified answers. But if you want to have everything in your servers, we stop NLP services from outside and everything we have in the box. So all libraries what we have, we run on your promise, and our system don't need access to other outside services. Everything inside, everything is open source or open projects or other projects, and it's our code, so we don't share this information for everyone. It's a full complete system only with our NLP in this case.
Okay, looks cool. Okay.
Have a good one. All the best. Stay safe. Bye.
Stay safe.
Bye.